Hi guys, it's me in the nature. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's so pretty. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
And, I have everything I need right here. We're so naturific. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm falling so hard.
And look what I brought, Sissy.
Yes, my brother is here.
And I brought her Furby.
Andrew, why'd you bring my Furby?
I don't know.
Yes.
Sissy, your face is not showing on the camera.
Andrew, it's the end of the video. They've already seen all this nature behind us.
Yep.
Okay, press it.
Wait, I think I should feel like to show you where we are.
Yeah, we're in my mom and dad's bedroom.